The market has just opened and LUNR is off to a good start, up 19.32% in the regular session of today, the 24th of March 2025, and a huge volatility expansion that is seeing it print and this intraday high of $8.56 and counting. And let's see now. The company disclosed its earnings outcomes. It ended the fourth quarter with the highest ever backlog. Last few weeks has been eventful for the company, which recently ended its second moon landing mission after less than 24 hours on the lunar surface. The company has sights set firmly on the future with a backlog of future projects, a highlight of its fourth quarter earnings disclosures. Okay, so revenue for the 3 months ending on the 31st of December 2024 was $54.7 million, up from $30.6 million in the prior year's quarter. Analysts surveyed by FactSet were looking for $55.7 million. The company ended the quarter with a backlog of $328.3 million, a 22% year-over-year increase, and the highest quarter ending backlog in its history. Okay, so the company's robust backlog has already been cited as a positive for Intuitive Machines, which has won a slew of lucrative contracts such as NASA's Near Space Network contract, which could be worth up to $4.82 billion. Okay, the company reported a net loss of $149.3 million compared with a profit of $7.7 million in the prior year quarter. So the company did not provide a loss per share number. Okay, so yeah, and much more. You can digest more when you see the link in the description box below. So we covered the company, we covered the stock when it plunged all the way down to 6.4, I believe, when that landing mishap occurred. So since that time, this is its daily chart. We have an upper projection here of 11.44, I believe. There's 12.93. There's 14.05, and then there's also the resistance from its bearishly sloping 200-day move. No, sorry. This is its bearishly sloping 40-day moving average. 40-day moving average. So the underlying trend is still a bullish one. Still a bullish one, even with what a decline of 23.2, and wow, that's a lot. 23.2, almost a 75% loss. It's still very much bearish. Almost it's 75% loss. It's still very, very much bearish. Unbelievable. But extrapolation of its 10 and 21-day moving averages is for weakness. There's no upside indicated, but momentum is expected to remain strong up till Friday the 4th of April. Yeah. So going by all of this, we can try and see whether we can project even further, see if it's possible. We take 14.17, and then we take 6.38. We have 7.79 multiplied by 1.618. We add the outcome 12.6 to the current price of 7.98. Current price of what? 8.43. So we have 21.03 upper projection on the daily chart. $21.03, a possible outcome. So we could see whether we can even project further. We're just going to multiply by 2.618 if Fibonacci extension level. So we have 20.39. We add that to the current price of 8.6. So we have 28.99. So on this daily chart, we have 21.03 and 28.99. So let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, nothing upper projections at all. But strength is expected to remain strong based on the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving averages. They expected to remain strong up till Friday, the 28th of March. Let's have a look at its 3-hour chart and see what's going on there. Yeah, volatility expansion has even expanded. The expansion has expanded all the way towards 8.64. So this intraday, okay, the intraday is not printing anymore as we are getting a rejection. As we have, it got rejected at 8.64. Yeah, yeah, but it's expected to come back into this price channel. So as things stand right now, we're looking at, based on what's going on, we're looking at volatility has thinned out, given the aggression that took it to all the way to 8.64. I think market participants might be waiting for the next move. We might be able to see what's going on the. Let's try the. Let's try the 1 minute chart and see what's going on. So it's coming back into its price channel. So I'm trying to contract this expansion that's occurred. Okay, this is a 1 minute chart. So yeah, we're in the right place. So yeah, we're in the right place. So if it comes back in, it might provide a buying opportunity for market participants, who are willing to scalp. So we were actually looking at the 3-hour chart. Yeah, nothing here. Nothing really as such. Just a downward projection here of 7.68. Let's see whether there's any piece of news. Okay, my Intuitive Machines rises on higher fourth quarter revenue. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else we could possibly see? Let's have a look at the 45-minute chart and see. Yeah, extrapolation to the upside on its 10 and 21 period moving averages. Momentum expected to remain strong up till the whole of this trading session, the whole of today, the 24th. Okay, so as this is its daily chart. So in the coming days, it's probably expected to consolidate and contract into this wedge that the extrapolation of its 10 and 21-day moving averages have formed. So just an indication that a projection that this volatility expansion might be contracted at some point. So strength is expected to remain in place up till Monday the 31st, but weakness. Okay, as a matter of fact, momentum is expected to remain strong, even though the extrapolation is to the downside for the moving averages, but momentum is expected to remain strong. So maybe it may still be a volatile session, regardless of the weak extrapolations. So, but what is likely to happen is it's just an indication is already here that some contraction might occur, but that could be the opposite as well. Could be the opposite and could blow through all of these and blow through all these projections. We've already computed projections all the way towards 28.99. 28.99. Let's see now. That will be 28.9. Will be an a 52-week high. 21.03 is also possible. It has printed such a price before. 21.03. Yeah. So probabilities of these ones, probability of 10.95 and 12.93 and 14.05 very much they are tangible. They are reasonable probabilities because the stock has already printed those prices before. So yeah, LUNR on the move. Announced better than expected revenue outcomes. So let's see what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.